Class, we discuss the three types of representation of a set. So a set is represented in three different ways. The first one, descriptive forms. Second one, set builder form or rule form. And third one, roster form or tabular form. So a set can be represented in any one of the following three ways or three forms. The first one, descriptive form. Second one, set builder form or rule form. Third one, roster form or tabular form. In the first form, what is meant by descriptive form? Descriptive form means statement form. That means a verbal description of its elements. Verbal description of its elements is called the descriptive form. So in our book, in descriptive form, a set is described in words. So in this form, there is no elements, not visible in this form. There is no symbol and there is no notation in this form. So in this form, we write the verbal description in a sentence form or statement form. So the first model is descriptive form. That means a set is described in words only. So the set of, in this form, each and every set start with the set of the set of. So all students note that in each and every form, what are the difference between these three? So in the descriptive form, there is no set notation used and there is no symbol like such that these symbols are not used and a comma. So elements are also not used. So only we write statements. So this is called descriptive form. And second one is set builder form or rule form. So in this form, this is a notation for describing a set by indicating the properties that members must satisfy. That means all the elements are described by a rule. All the elements described by a rule. Here rule means common property for all the elements. Common properties for all the elements. So we mention the common property of all the elements within notation, within set notation, is called the set builder or rule. For example, we give a set name A is equal to set A is equal to used the braces. And if we take all the elements in this form, we say X. Then we say that what is X, that's all. So how it read? the set A is equal to for all x. So how to read? For all x, then colon or slash, stand for such that. This for means such that. So for all x such that x is what? That's all. So this is the set builder or rule form. For all x such that x is a what? Vowel in English alphabet. Set B equal to for all x such that x is a what? X is a whole number. In this example, all the vowels in English alphabets are say x, and all the whole numbers in the mathematics, we use it in the mathematics, so we say all the whole numbers as x. That's all. So set builder or rule form means we describing the a set by indicating the common properties among all the elements. So this is the set builder or rule form. And the third one, roster or tabular form. So this is very important form, because all the sums we use it in roster form. In this form we write only elements. There is no sentence, no words used. So in the roster form, listing all the elements of the set. So listing the elements of a set inside a pair of braces, that is curly brackets. We listing all the elements inside the pair of braces separated by commas is called the roster form. The set of all vowels in English alphabet, it is a descriptive form. We write this in standard roster form, that is A equal to A, E, I, O, U within curly brackets. And second one, the set of all whole numbers, B equal to, within set notation we write the whole numbers one by one separated by commas, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. After 3 we use 3 dots. 3 dots means it is called ellipsis. It indicates the pattern listed elements continues in the same manner. So this is the roster form or tabular form. So these are the 3 methods of representation of sets. Next, some important points in roster form, because in most of the sums we use the roster form or tabular form. So in this form, each element of the set must be listed exactly once. So this is very important concept. In roster form, each element of the set, must be listed exactly once. So only one time A can be used within the set. That is the meaning. In roster form, each element of the set must be listed exactly once. Within curly brackets, we used one element at only once. More than one time we cannot write within the curly brackets. For example, in 9th there are totally 100 students, means we write each and every student's name at only once. If we write any student's name in more than one time, the total number of students is more than 100. So, but in our strength is 100 students. So, if we used the word elements within the roster form only once, that means the elements in a set should not be repeated. The elements in a set should not be repeated. Do you understand? Okay. For example, let A be the set of letters in the word coffee. One example, if we take the set of letters in the word coffee, so coffee, C O F F E E, that is the word coffee, the set of all letters in the word coffee. This is the descriptive form. Then now we are going to write the roster form. In the roster form, we give one name, the set A is equal to, within the set notation, we write first letter C, so C, comma, second letter O, comma, third letter F, comma, and fourth one also F. So, we write only once in the roster form. So, the elements should not be repeated. So, we omit another F, and next element is E, and another one is there. So, we omit that letter. So, the answer is C O F E. This is the roster form. So, do you understand? Suppose, what are the invalid in this method? Suppose you write C O E, so it is wrong one. Suppose you use C O F F E, so it is also wrong one, because F is listed twice. Now another one, C O E, it is also invalid because the letter F is omitted. So, this is the roster form. So, do you understand? Okay, students. So, now we give more explanation about these three representation of sets. Now, we are going to discuss the one example of activity. Write the following sets in respective forms. So, already we give the homework in our last class. The first one, the set of all natural number less than 100. It is in the descriptive form. This is the descriptive form. This sentence can be changed into set builder form and roster form. So, in set builder form, first we write set builder form. So, we give set name A equal to, first we use set notation for all x such that, then what is x? X is a, x is the set of, then we write all natural numbers less than 10. That's all. This is the set builder form. You understand? Okay. So next one, in roster form, the set A equal to, within this set notation, we write all the elements separated by comma. So the set of all natural numbers less than 10. The set of all natural number means starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. up to less than 10 means before 10. Less than 10 means which one is last? Up to 9 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the roster form of the first sum. And the second one, for all x such that x is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3. This is in set builder form. We change this into descriptive form. So in descriptive form, how do you start? You start with the set of all multiples of 3. All multiple of 3. That's all. All multiples of 3. Only using statements. Okay. Okay. How do you write in the roster form? So for all x such that x is a multiple of 3, we say set A equal to, within braces, multiples of 3 means that is third table. That's all. So first 3, 6, 9, 12 and etc. up to x belongs to capital N. That means set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and etc. So up to infinity வரலும் போயிட்டு இருக்கும். So A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, do you understand? Okay students, next one, third one. In roster form, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do you understand what number is given? What are the type of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? These are all even natural numbers up to 10 only. So if we write in descriptive form, we start with the set of. So the set of, start with the set of all, what is the type of number? All even numbers. All even numbers less than 12 or less than or equal to 10 or up to 10. So these are all these some methods of descriptive form. If you use any one, there is correct. And in set builder form, in the same way, for all x such that x is what? X is a even number less than or equal to 10. That's all. So this one is third one. And fourth one, the set of all days in a week in descriptive form. Here for all in the set builder form, we write for all x such that x is the, then write set of all natural set of all days in a week. And how do you write in roster form? In the roster form, we use the set notation. What are the days in a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. Okay, next one, last one, fifth one. Minus up to. dot 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 etc. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. What is the type of numbers you have studied in early classes? It is what numbers? It represents the integers. So the set of descriptive form, the set of all integers, that's all, the set of all integers. And second form, set builder, for all x such that x is the all integers, x is the all integers, and this is the roster form. So this is the activity. All students check your answer. If you have any doubt, then call me. Okay students, then example 1.2, write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. So give two example, assessment and principal. Already we have write in the note. Yes, there are 4 yes, but only once we write in the sheet. So you have already finished this homework. Next we are going to discuss the exercise. Here also you write the second, list the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Do you finish? So no one letter cannot be repeated. Okay. And fourth one, the set of, so today we discuss the answer in 4th, 5th and 6th question. Okay. Now we used material for answer. Before that we discuss what is given and how to change it. The fourth one, represent the following sets in roster form. In roster form. So in the first one is what form? It is descriptive. It changed into roster form. Then we use within braces, we listing all the elements. The set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So you know even natural number. What are the even natural numbers? So 2, 4, 6 and etc. up to less than 20 means 18. If 20 is come or not. Less than 20 means up to 18. So 20 is omitted. So less than or equal to 20 means 20 is one of the element. Here 20 is not an element. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, up to 18. That's all. And second one, it is in set builder form. Here all the elements say y. Here y is equal to 1 by 2n. That is the rule. That is rule or formula. Where in the rule y equal to 1 by 2n. Here we apply for n is equal to. So what we are applying? We apply n is equal to belongs to natural number, capital N. That is capital N represents the set of natural number. So we substitute n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and etc. But there is another condition in the rule, if n is less than or equal to 5. So if n is less than or equal to 5 means if we take n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. So n is less than or equal to 5 means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Less than or equal to means n is equal to 5 or n is less than 5. N is equal to 5 or n is less than 5. So in this sum, first we take n is 1. We apply n equal to 1 in the formula y equal to 1 by 2 1. If substitute n equal to 1, then y equal to first one 1 by 2. The second one, if we apply n equal to 2, 1 by 2 into 2, 4, that is 1 by 4. We apply 3, 1 by 2 into 3, that means 1 by 6. We apply 4, 1 by 2 into 4, 8, that means 1 by 8. We apply 5, 1 by 2 into 5, 10, is equal to 1 by 10. But therefore, the answer is roster form 1 by 2. We give any name of the set B equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. That's all. Do you understand? Okay. And the third one, for all x is that x is a perfect cube. So perfect cube means you know perfect square numbers. You know the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and etc. These are all natural numbers. If we square all the numbers, then it is called perfect square numbers. That means 1 squared 1, 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16, 5 squared 25, 6 squared 36, 7 squared 49. These are all square numbers, that is perfect square numbers. Then what is perfect cube number means? We cube all the natural numbers, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube and etc. That is cube natural numbers. Then what is 1 cube? 1. What is 2 cube? 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So when we multiply 2 3 times, 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. How much? 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. How? 64. And 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. And 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, 216 and so on. So these are the perfect cube numbers. So what is the question? Perfect cube for all x such that x is a perfect cube. So x is a perfect cube means we write 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, etc. This is x is a perfect cube. But in the question there is one condition here. What is the condition? So for we say that all the perfect cube numbers as x, but there is condition for x. If x is 27 less than x means if x is more than 27. 27 less than x means this side is bigger number. So 27 more than x is more than 27. So x is more than 27 means 1 is 8 and 27 are omitted. So we start with 64. And last condition, x is less than 216. That means x is less than 216 means x 216 விட கம்மியா இருக்கணும். That means 27 less than x means x ஆனது 27 விட அதிகமா இருக்கணும். அப்போ 27 வரலும் we avoid all the numbers before up to 27, and x is less than 216 means the maximum up to less than 216 means we avoid the 216 up to 125. So the remaining number is only two numbers, 64 comma 125. This is the answer, 64 comma 125. Okay, and fourth one, for all x is that x belongs to z. Z means, what is z? Z is integer. If z is integer means we start with -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. These are all integers, but there is a condition. What is the condition? -5 less than x. That means -5 விட அதிகமாக. -5 விட அதிகமா அப்படின்னா -6 or -4. -6, -5, -4. Which one is greater? -6? No. Which one is greater? -4. So we start with -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, up to less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means up to 2. So -4, -3, -2, 0, 1, 2. This is the answer. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So this is the roster form. Do you understand? Okay students, and represent the following sets in set builder form. So this one is very important and easiest one. So the first, third and fourth are very easy. In all the three we start with set notation for all x such that x is the, then we write all the verbal description. That's all. This is the set builder form. Okay. For example, the set of all Tamil months in a year. For all x such that x is the, we omit the word the set of all. So x is the Tamil month in a year. That's all. So in the descriptive form, we avoid all the set of all, the set of all, the set of. The remaining statement we write within the for all x such that x is the dash. So we fill all the statement in the dash. Okay. So we look at the second one is very important because they give fraction numbers. But first we find the common property of these numbers. First we say all the numbers as x. So for all x such that where x is equal to n. So x is here, x is a rule. So in first we look at the example, look at the sum. First we understand what is numerator and what is denominator in the first number, and second number also we see that, and third number. So what are the common properties or what are the rule or what are the formulas are used in the set C equal to. So here, look, numerator is 1, denominator is adding 1 to the numerator. In the second sum, numerator is 2, denominator is 3. That means if adding 1 to the numerator, we get denominator. And the third number also, adding 1 to the numerator, we get denominator. So next number, third number is 3 by 4. Then what is next number? That is 4 by 5. Next number 5 by 6. Next number 6 by 7 and so on. Now we find what is the rule. So first, for all x such that x is equal to, so we say all numbers as n, x. So formula x equal to, so we take all the numbers as n. Here in numerator starting with 1, 2, 3. So numerator is take n divided by denominator is adding 1 to the numerator. So we take numerator as n. Then what is denominator? That is n plus 1. So that is the rule. So for set builder form, for all x such that x equal to n divided by n plus 1, comma, then what is n? N belongs to natural number. That is the set builder form of the second sum. Okay, do you understand? Okay, student. And the last one, sixth. In this sixth, all the sums change into descriptive form. So descriptive form is a very important, is the easiest one. So here we write the property in a statement, that's all. So first one, P equal to roster form January, June, July. So if we use all the month, then we write the set of all months in a year. But here use only the letter starting with J. Then how to write the set of English month? The set of English month starting with the letter J. That's all. The set of. In the descriptive form means we use the word starting with the set of. That's all. After that, etc. Dash. The set of all English months. The set of all English month starting with the letter J. That's all. So look at the second one. 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So do you know what are the type of numbers? It is odd number? No. If it is odd means after 7 there is no 9, no 15. Then look at the each number. Each number is divisible by itself unto one only. Then what is the type of number? What is the types of number? It is a prime number. It is a prime numbers. Then how to write the set of all prime numbers? The set of all prime numbers. Then we use the condition. What is the condition? Which one is start and which one is last number? Prime numbers between which one is first and which one is last? Before 7, which is a prime number? 5. So we use the word between 5 and 29 is a prime number last, and after 29 which one is prime? 31. So use the word between means 5 and 31 is not come to the elements. Okay, so we use the word the set of all prime numbers between 5 and 31. Okay students, and third question in set builder form, for all x such that x is natural number and less than 5. So easy one, the set of all natural numbers less than 5, that's all. And fourth one, it is also in set builder form, the set of all English consonants, the set of all consonant in English alphabet. We write anyone, the set of all English consonants, okay, or the set of all consonant in English alphabets. They write full words, full sentences, there is no problem. Okay students, you have any doubts? So this is the our first exercise 1.1. So now we complete the exercise 1.1. In this exercise we discuss first one, what is a set, that is definition of set, and we give some examples. After that we use notation. So what notation, that is belongs to, does not belongs to. These notations can be used for elements. After that the main concept is representation of a set. There are three types of representation: descriptive form, set builder form, and roster form. Okay students, you have any doubts? Okay, then after that we use the material for the answer. We check the answer. So for the exercise 1.1, we used the answer. So we have already prepared material for set language. First one, multiple choice questions, so we will discuss later. So we come to the 2 mark, book back 2 mark. Look, we write the note, all the sums without fail. So first 2 mark, we will ask to set notations in example 1.2. After that, in example 1.1, which of the following you are set. So in the first class we discuss all the answer, last class, so we check it. And the second one, list of the set of letters of the following words in roster form: India, parallelogram, and etc. And third one, true or false. And fourth one, now come to the today class, fourth one answer. So we check this material to write the note. So represent the following sets in roster form: first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. And fifth question, represent the following sets in set builder form. So C is the important one, that is formula. We generate formula for all x is that x equal to n by n plus 1, and the set of all Tamil months in a year for all x such that x is a Tamil month in a year. And the fourth one, the set of all whole numbers, odd whole numbers in less than 9 for all x such that x is an odd whole number less than 9. And sixth one, descriptive form. First one, January, June, July. Second one, prime numbers. Third one, natural numbers. And the fourth one, consonants in English alphabets. Okay, so we pause this video and without mistake we write in the max note After you finish exercise 1.1, then you take the scan copy and send to your class teacher. After finishing the exercise 1.1, each and every students you send the photocopy to the concerned class teacher. Okay students, so after that in our next class we are going to discuss types of sets. This is very important topic. So before this, if any statement given in any form, then we change that form into another two way. Okay, so you take more examples and you try to convert one form to another two forms. Okay students, so tomorrow next class we discuss the types of sets. Okay students, thank you.